So this is the second video. Here you will see that we have mounted the AT&T and the Verizon modules. The Verizon module is on the left, the AT&T module is on the right. This rack, again to emphasize, is intended for a 2x2 MIMO neutral host in a 6-rack unit wall mount chassis. Peter will now show you how we can easily add a Sprint module and a T-Mobile module on top of the Verizon AT&T modules. That will be our second video, and our third video will show how you'll add the 4x4 hybrid combiner on top. Peter, why don't you go ahead? So the first step will be, he's going to put in the Sprint module, place it on the rack. He's going to place the T-Mobile module on the rack itself. Then he's going to use these guide rails. There are grooves in between. He's going to put the guide rail in between and use a standard Phillips screwdriver to make them tight, the front and the back. It's quite simple. Overall, from start to finish, to mount all of these 4 CSC carrier modules and the hybrid combiner takes between 5 to 10 minutes onto the rack itself. So he has put the guide rails front and back. Now he's going to make them tight with a standard Phillips screwdriver. And as I mentioned earlier, the guide rail has grooves in between the modules, so it easily connects and slides right in. Now Peter is putting in the screws onto the bracket itself. He's going to use the screwdriver first, and then he will use the drill bit to make it tight. So as you can see, this is truly modular, plug and play. We can ship it from the factory fixed, CSC or minor configuration, all 4 operators, or in the field, Crown can put these on very easily in any way they can. So that's the end of the second video. Right now you have a CSC module for each operator. You have your Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon. Now the third video will start shortly. We'll have the 4x4.